Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. Real quick point. Real quick question. Do you have your list of the buildings that you want to clean? You know, the 200, the 100, the 500, the actual list that your business has settled in on. You go, these are the places that we want to clean. Now you may, and many do, but you'd be surprised if you ask many commercial cleaning companies, can you show me your targeted list of who you're going after? Maybe not. Maybe they haven't really gotten that in front of themselves. And if they took just a little bit of time to put together that list, it really is, I'd almost say, kind of magical how much power it has to help you get new jobs. It doesn't seem logical, but there's something about, whether it's on your phone or when you're at your desk at the computer, always having that actual list. Let's say it's 247 companies. Always seeing them makes you focus on who the contacts are in the building, what kind of problems they're having, maybe how many times you stop by, how many times you've called, what kind of messages you've talked to them about as far as what you can offer them. Maybe that you've neglected them. There's just something about focusing on them, and over time there's another kind of almost magical force, and that is, you'll be surprised that if you have that around all the time, that in the course of 6 months or a year, you'll be surprised how many more of them you'll get than if it was just a general idea, I'd like to get more places that we clean. But when you have the actual list, there's something that happens that makes it a reality. At least much more powerfully than if you don't have the list. So make sure that you do. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.